the next topic we have is going to be reviewing what we've done a few weeks ago in combining like terms. So if we recall, if we had a phrase like 3a plus 5b minus 2a plus 7b, we would combine the 3a and the negative 2a to get 1a, and then we have plus 5 plus 7 is going to give us 12b, and that would be our answer. Now we also have the distributive property that we did a few weeks ago. That would be if we had something like, let me write this in black, negative 3, parentheses 5x plus 4. We're going to distribute that negative 3 to the 5x and to the positive 4. So negative 3 times 5x is going to give us negative 15x. Negative 3 times 4 gives us negative 12. And that's our answer. In the level 2 problems, we'll see a couple different types of problems. The first of which will have multiple exponents. So if we see something like this, we need to keep in mind that we always need to combine only the like terms. So here we have a 1 in front of our parentheses, which means we really don't have to distribute anything. So we can rewrite everything just as how we have it, because 1 times anything is just whatever we originally had. If I take a look at my like terms, I have 4x squared plus 3x squared. That gives me 7x squared because I add the numbers in front. Then I have 1x plus 7x gives me 8x. And lastly, I have 2 plus 1, which gives me 3. Also, we will see problems where we have to do the distributive property multiple times. So here we will have to distribute the 2 and then the 3, the negative 3. So if I take 2 times 5x, I get 10x. 2 times negative 2 gives me negative 2. The negative 3 times 7x gives us negative 21x. And negative 3 times 9 gives us negative 27. Now I'm going to look at combining like terms. So I have 10x here, minus 21x, well 10 minus 21 gives me negative 11x. And then I have my negative 2 minus 27, which is negative 2 plus negative 27, which gives me negative 29. In the level 3, we will see a bunch of word problems where we have to think logically what we're doing with those phrases. So here we have Lilia, who is going shopping for the holidays. She starts with 5x squared minus 3x plus $7 in her wallet. If she spends 2x squared plus x minus $5, how much does she have left? Well, for spending money, we're talking about subtracting. Okay, we're going to subtract the two phrases. So for this, we have to use our lovely and favorite parentheses. But we are going to be subtracting. So I get minus 2x squared plus x minus $5. When I'm subtracting, like I said before, I have to make sure I recall to distribute that negative 1. But the first phrase will stay the same. So I'm just going to rewrite the first phrase just how I had it, 5x squared minus 3x plus 7, and now I'm going to multiply everything in the second phrase by negative 1. So negative 1 times 2x squared is going to give me negative 2x squared. Negative 1 times positive 1x is going to give me negative x, and negative 1 times negative 5 is going to give me a positive 5. And now, just like we did above, I'm going to combine like terms. So 5x squared minus 2x, 5 minus 2, gives me 3x squared. Then I have my negative 3x minus 1x. Well, negative 3 plus negative 1 is negative 4x. And I have 7 plus 5, which will give me positive 12. So my answer here is 3x squared minus 4x plus 12.